For this quadratic equation, we will find its nature of roots and also verify them. So let's start solving this equation. From above equation, we can write a equals 6, b equals 1 and c equals -2. For nature of roots, we will find its discriminant b square minus 4ac equals 1 square minus 4 into 6 into -2. We get 1 square equals 1 minus into minus plus 6 4 24 to 48. 48 plus 1 equals 49. It is a perfect square, means 49, and also it is greater than 0. So roots are real, rational and unequal. Nature of root is rational, real and unequal. In the next step, we will verify that is they are real and unequal or not. So let's verify. For verification, we will solve this quadratic equation by using factorization. Breaking the midterm, we can write plus x as 4x minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. From first two terms 6x square plus 4x, we can take common 2x as a common. So what we get inside 3x plus 2, here minus 1 is common, 3x plus 2 equals 0. Taking 3x plus 1 to once and writing the other remaining term 2x minus 1 equals 0. Separately solving both the factors, 3x plus 2 equals 0 and 2x minus 1 equals 0. 3x equals minus 2, x equals minus 2 upon 3. Similarly, 2x equals 1, x equals 1 upon 2. So solution set of this quadratic equation is minus 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. So we can see that these roots are real and unequal and rational. So we have verified the required result for the given quadratic equation, which was 6x square plus x minus 2 equals 0. Firstly, we find the nature of roots because discriminant value was greater than 0. So roots are rational, real and unequal. And later on, by factorizing, we have verified the above result for the given quadratic equation. If discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary.